wait. We got them headsets. My legs are shaking. But we're fine. We're flying. We're flying. We're flying. We're flying. We're flying. Even higher, guys. Even higher. This is terrifying. I forgot. We're gonna see a volcano, guys. We're flying over the sea. Here's the sun, guys. Volcano is erupting. That's the volcano, guys. That red stuff there is a volcano. That's insane. This is insane. It's literally erupting. It's going so far. This volcano is so sick, dude. Yeah. Very cool. I really like this. Insane, dude. Insane. And there's some smoke over there coming from the volcano.